Did your AirTalk wireless service get deactivated? No problem. Reactivation is usually free if it was due to inactivity, not fraud. First, check your account status on the AirTalk app or website to make sure it's not barred. You'll need to add at least $10 of airtime or purchase a new plan to start the reactivation process. Once you've done that, the next step is crucial. Contact AirTalk support to reprovision your SIM. This updates your SIM card with the latest network settings, which is especially important after network upgrades. The easiest way to contact them is through the chat function on the app. Have your SIM's ICCID ready. It's on the card or in your phone's settings. Support will remotely reprovision your SIM, usually within 5 to 15 minutes. After AirTalk support reprovisions your SIM, restart your phone and check for a signal. If you still have issues, try resetting your phone's network settings. Find this in the general settings. Make sure your SIM card is properly inserted too. SIMs deactivate after 90 days of inactivity. Keep in mind that AirTalk has been upgrading their systems, including the mobile app, so the reactivation process is becoming increasingly automated. This means that support wait times are decreasing and there is less of a need for human intervention. If your SIM is physically damaged or has been deactivated for over 365 days, you may need a replacement or may not be eligible for reactivation due to security updates.